Hello morning everyone. Today is Monday, 2023 July 24th. This week going to be the last week for the July. So these are the stocks we are going to go through today, and I'm going to touch some of the US stocks, main technology stocks. So let's start ahead with the disclaimer. This video is for the educational purposes. It's not a buying or selling call for the viewers, subscribers or investors. So let's go ahead for starting in the US market. So let's start with the Nasdaq. We can see the Nasdaq is pulling down on the last Friday. So the doji is not looking good because they are too bearish. Candlesticks right over there, which is open high, close low on the Friday. It doesn't look good. Anyhow, it has been expected for the pullback in the Nasdaq and the S&P 500. So it's expected to come down to testing the uptrend line over here, the purple and yellow line. So let's move ahead for the S&P 500. It's also the same happen in the what they call S&P 500. So open high, close low. And the market up by 1 point. Anyhow, the candlestick doesn't look good. Pretty much like a bearish hirami right over there at the top category trading range. Let's look at the Dow Jones as well. Dow Jones doesn't look good. There's a pullback right over there as well at the resistance level. So let's go through some technology stocks in the US market. So Apple. So we can see the Apple is also happening. There is an open high, close low candlestick right over there on the last Friday, and it coming down to going to test for the uptrend line here. If it coming down, pull back below this level, I would say traders can consider to take some profit out from the Apple. Tesla. Let's have a look on the Tesla. So the red line here, resistance and support level, so draw by myself. So it's also happened in Tesla as well. It's been pulling back, open high, close low candlestick on last Friday. We zoom out a little bit so to have larger pictures. So we can see I draw a downtrend line here. So it tested this downtrend line and bounced off the downtrend line. I would say it's going to pull back definitely. Yes, it's going to pull back. So it's now lying at the support level. So if cannot maintain right over here, I would say it's going to test lower range. It's about 210 level. Okay. We can draw some uptrend line as well for the short term. We can draw a line here. See whether it will come here. Yeah, it's pretty much like 210 level. Tesla, Netflix. So the uptrend line is right here, and the support level will be somewhere around here. This one considered as strong support here. And the Amazon uptrend line is right here. Okay. I believe the technology stock is going to pull back, definitely followed by the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is strong pullback, strange right over here. So maybe we can check on the Microsoft as well. So same. So we may monitor the uptrend line here. Okay. So now we come back to the KLCI local market index. So this is the local market index. You can see the last Friday market is doing great, up by 6 points. So as per the starting early July, I already mentioned, is very much like the market is already bottoming. So investor trader is encouraged to join into current market sentiment. If you miss this round, maybe you will join around 1,005. Are you going to join at 1,005? I'm not sure. So you can check on it whether you want to join, where you want to join it. So on the last Friday, we did notice the UEM is still strong. So let's have a look on the UEM here. It's a property stocks. maybe a team play for the HSR, still strong right over here. So we can see the MRCB is also coming in. The trading volume is stronger than the UEM. As are they going to take over for the UEM? So you can see the trend line here. So this one is also the stock pick by the Maybank Investment Bank on the July 14. If you manage to join for the live sessions or the replay my videos for the money markets, you will able to notice the entry is somewhere around here, 14, right? 14 is around here, so you can join in here. You manage to back around more than 20%. So we can zoom out a little bit. Is this still a potential? I would say this one is only the first week. MRCB is only the first week. The volume is so strong, so the potential is quite wide upside over there. So you can see is MRCB already the top. I have some doubt over there. Maybe it will go above 50-cent level. So we will see whether is there any other potential momentum coming in again. I'm not saying today it will go up, but I would say it will take some time to moving higher. It's not a straight line going upwards. Okay. So let's go back to the stock picks by the CMB Samaidan. So you can see that overnight, last Friday closing 123. The stop loss level given is 113, and the target given is 130 and 140, somewhere around here 130. So this one is playing for the string and followed by the uptrend. So you may strictly follow the trading plan given if you like trading for these stocks. If you are already in the positions, you may stick to the trading plan. So the next stock would be the catch up. So is momentum strong as well for this one. So overnight, last Friday closing 46 cents for half. The target given is 46 and 50 cents. 50 cents right over here, and the stop loss level is 3.5. But the what they call the target given seems to be quite close comparing to the stop loss. If you are entering for this one, I would say you may need to wait for the pullback. Except unless you are already in the positions, that another story. So the next stocks given by the Maybank Investment Bank will be the CMB. If you want to know the target given, you may go to the Telegram channel to check for their stop loss and target level. They didn't give out the direct answer at the briefing. So I would say the next stock given by the UOB will be ENO. Purple, so we can see the volume is coming in, so it bounced off to break out with volumes. Stop loss level given is 123 and the target given 148 and 153. Yeah, I would say quite acceptable stop loss, and the target given risk reward is attractive as well. You can join in if you like it. Next stock will be the FGV. FGV or last Friday closing 144, stop loss level is 133, target given is 152, 159. We zoom out a little bit to see the overall big pictures. You can see the trading range is quite wide right over here. It's 160 to 133, 130 to 160 range, 30-cent range. So I would say they are picking for this stock is pretty much like a bounce off from the support and the swing trading as well. The next stock will be KM Long. KM Long. Okay, this one sideways ranging, consolidating right over here. I would say quite a nice pick over here. The momentum coming in, volume. Last Friday closing 183, stop loss level 176, so it's around how many cents, 7 cents stop loss level acceptable, with a target given is 199 and 204. Pretty nice risk reward level givens. So I would say consider quite big as well, quite a nice pick. So I believe if you are interested to join the Macau lot in the JB areas, which is on August 5th, morning 11 to 1 at PERSADA JOHOR. So it will brief on the Macau lot on the second half 2023 with main topics clearer sky ahead. I would say based on these topics, I would say they are positive to the second half of 2023. So if you want to know more about the stock picks and the Macau lots in the Malaysias, I would suggest you to join in. There's a link in the description. You can WhatsApp to me, I can register for you. So if you're interested to open an account, you can click in the link in the description and open an account with me. I will brief you through and guide you through how to process account opening. That's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.